Let me talk to you for a moment. If you wake up tired even after sleeping, if you plan your day and still end up wasting it, if you feel behind while everyone else seems to be moving forward, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken, your system is. That's why fixing your life doesn't start with motivation. It starts with structure, and the next 30 days are enough to change everything if you use them right. Your brain doesn't respond to big promises. It responds to small actions repeated daily. That's why one motivational video feels good for a day and then disappears. But a 30-day challenge works. It's long enough to rewire your habits and short enough to stay committed. Most students lose their day in the first hour. The phone comes out, the mind gets noisy, and focus is gone before the day even begins. So imagine waking up and not touching your phone for just 30 minutes. Instead, you make your bed. You drink a glass of water. You move your body for 5 minutes. That simple routine tells your brain one thing. Today, I'm in control. As the day moves on, procrastination shows up, not because you're lazy, but because the task feels heavy, so your mind avoids it. That's why you don't force yourself to finish the task. You only promise to start. Just 10 minutes, that's all. Once you begin, something shifts. The resistance fades. Momentum takes over. And suddenly you're doing more than you planned. The afternoon becomes calmer when you focus on one thing at a time. One task, one screen, one intention. Multitasking feels productive, but it slowly drains you. By evening, the tiredness hits. Not physical tiredness, mental tiredness. That quiet burnout nobody talks about. So you slow down. You write one thing you did right today. Even something small. Your brain needs proof that you're improving. Then you plan tomorrow with only 3 priorities, not 10. 3. Because clarity reduces stress, and before sleep, you put the phone away. Because rest is not weakness, it's preparation. But here's where the real change happens. You stop asking what you should do, and you start asking who you are becoming. Every day for 30 days, you remind yourself, I am someone who shows up, even when you fail, even when motivation is gone. Because consistency builds identity. And if you feel lost right now, if you feel overwhelmed, if you feel behind, that doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're in the middle of becoming. So give yourself 30 days. Wake up with intention. Start small. Finish calm. Sleep with purpose. You don't need a new life. You need better habits. Start today.